Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to pay credit card bill in HSBC Bank. For that, make sure you open one preferred web browser, and at the search bar, you need to search in hsbc.co.uk and press enter, and you will be led to this kind of interface. Now, to pay credit card bill, you need to first log into your account. So you need to click over here, fill down your credentials and get logged into your account. Now, after that, if you have paid the company before, you will find the option move money under my pays. If this is your first time, select new pay lookup, then type the company name into the find a company search field. Select your credit card and match the first 6 numbers to your card. Example, HSBC Premier Card 542006. Enter your 16-digit number as the company reference. For some companies, this could be a different reference number or your account number. Now enter the payment amount and confirm the payment. After that, use the HSBC CI and LOM mobile banking app to generate a 6-digit transaction code to confirm your payment. And this is how you can pay credit card bills in HSBC Bank. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.